If you've been wanting to wax your own legs, I'm about to show you how. This is hard wax. Hard wax dries on the skin and the wax itself becomes the wax strip. No paper needed. Grab a generous amount, bring it down to the leg, dump. Put a lot of pressure all the way down. Make sure to spread it. Keep going. Gotta make it work. Down here. Then whatever you have left, dump again. Create a little lip. Just like that. Fan it dry if you need to. Flick the end and remove. Smooth.
Story time. My parents found out that I was dating a white boy. So a little background information. My parents are super strict, especially my dad. And on top of that, my dad thought that races should not mix. One of his sayings was, "You don't see a blue jay fucking a pigeon." AKA, white people and black people should not be together. Sounds fucking stupid. Yeah, I know. Anyways, like I was saying, it was my freshman year of high school and I had been dating this boy for 2 months. And of course he was white. And we had to keep it super low-key because if any of my friends found out about it, they would have fucking told my dad. Now when I look back at it, those weren't good friends at all. Anyways, every Friday, my boyfriend and I would go to the movies. And we would go to this theater that was 45 minutes away because nobody that I knew would be there. The only person that knew that I was dating a white boy was my sister. Well, the one day after the movies, I couldn't get a ride home, so I had to get a ride home with him and his family. And as soon as I pulled up, my parents were waiting outside, like for part 2.